Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. So today we're going to talk about something that's pretty unique. I've never run across it before, but maybe you have. So the internet, and my modem in particular, every time I would turn this laptop on, it would shut down the internet. I don't know if you've ever had this problem before, but it's something I've been running into. It's been very frustrating, and it's actually happened on another computer, a desktop, same thing. But I finally figured out what it was. So if you're having that issue, stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. And it's the most simple thing you could ever imagine. Let's have a look. Okay, so I tried to do this with OBS, but for some reason I get an error message when I try and open it because the drivers are too old in this laptop. So we're going to do it the old-fashioned way with a small tripod and my camera on it. So basically what I've done is I've gone down to my Wi-Fi, I right-clicked on it, and now I'm going to click on Open Network and Internet Settings. When it comes up, you want to go to Wi-Fi. So when it comes up, go to Wi-Fi and go Change Adapter Options. Now, on your Wi-Fi connection, right-click and go Properties. And in here, when I'm on Client for Microsoft Networks, okay, my wireless network is here, click on Configure. And you're going to go to Power Management. Okay, bring that back over here. Go to Power Management, and this was checked. And it said, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Sounds very innocuous, doesn't sound like it's going to be all that big a deal. But what it actually does, by turning this on, is when you start your computer, for whatever reason, it will shut down your Wi-Fi, your network, everything. It will completely shut it off. You don't want that. So all you do, you'll see that there's a checkbox in here. Just go over and uncheck it. Click OK, and you're done. Okay, so on a desktop, as it turns out, I have a surprise on mine. So you still do the same thing to get into your network and internet. Go to your Wi-Fi and go to Wi-Fi properties, okay, right here. So Windows 11 is a little different than normal. Your Wi-Fi is going to come up. Now when you're on Configure, do the same thing. Go to Power Management, and mine is turned on. Now when I did this before, it shut down the everything. But this computer is not just on Wi-Fi. It's also on LAN. So I have a hardwired connection. So I'm going to take it off anyway, because if that ever fails for whatever reason, or it gets unplugged, this is going to start turning my network off again. So I took that off, click OK, and you're good to go. That is pretty much all there is to it. All right, everybody, so basically, check your systems if you're having this problem with your internet shutting down. When you start a system, maybe you haven't even realized that's what's causing it. I didn't realize for quite a long time, but it kept happening. I was blaming my modem and all kinds of different things, and it turned out that was what was causing the issue. Maybe it's not the same as yours, but I'm just putting it out there. So if you check and that is got a little checkbox and you're having the same issues, just take that checkbox out, click OK, and you're good, and that problem will probably go away. This took me a while, going through my network provider and all kinds of different things, before I realized it was in the software, and it is set on by default. So the chances are yours is on. If you haven't had any issues with it, well then leave it as it is until you have issues. All right? But if you do start having issues, or you have been having issues, go in, follow that, and then just uncheck it. All right? Very easy, doesn't take hardly any time at all. You don't even have to restart your computer. All right? It will just work fine. But if you want to test it, if that's been going on, do that and then do a restart. when your PC comes back up and everything is still running and you still have your network, you're good to go. So anyway, if you like that, hit that thumbs up. If you're new here, think about subscribing. Hit that bell for notifications so you can videos as they come up in the future. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care.